know, everybody, this winter wonderland out here. After the snow came through, it's 4 below yet right now, but the snow came through the other day. Patched up holes yesterday, but we have major damage that we gotta take care of before spring. As you can see, everything collapsed on these pens. All these pens collapsed from the heavy snow. I gotta take care of all this before spring. Major damage. Got their hot wire on the fence here so the critters can't get in, but you can see that everything collapsed. Far corner over there is where I had to patch the other day because of the netting ripped open from the main pond for winter. Oh, this is sagged down, stuck in the ice now. It was all water, wasn't frozen yet. Now it's frozen in. Don't know what we can do. Nothing to spring. See how the fences are sagging on the outside here. Oh, and we just fixed this side. Redid the whole outside over here of this pen this year. Oh, hard walking through these 3.5 foot drifts. Whew. I gotta go in the pen over here because we didn't lock the door, we just closed it on Saturday. And that's what we had to fix. See how that sagged over? It ripped the netting wide open and patched that all up. Give more updates another time. Got to get the rest of some more work done on feet, getting these birds all fed and watered. Thanks, subscribe, comment. God bless you all.